Hi, I'm Dan Allaby, Director of Cloud Offerings at Avnet Cloud Solutions, and welcome to Tech Talk. When I think of public cloud storage services, I really break them down into two categories. The first is consumer-based services, and the second is business-based. With consumer services, we're really talking about applications like Apple iCloud, Dropbox, Box, SugarSync, to name a few, but there really are hundreds of them. These are services that are really designed to back up and share individual user information, either dedicated to a single application or across multiple applications. Some of the limitations that exist around these applications are performance, security, and really ability to scale to meet the larger volume requirements that exist around business-based applications. Around business-based storage services, you can really break those down into two major buckets. The first is object-oriented solutions, and the second is block-based solutions. A great example of leveraging public cloud block storage services is when you wanted to replicate an entire information store from an on-premise environment into the cloud, and then seamlessly replicate that back to your on-premise SAN or NAS environment to support DR as one use case. Object-oriented storage is more leveraged when you want to back up specific application information and seamlessly write that into object-oriented cloud services, allowing you to replicate that back to your environment when required. One of the offerings that we have built around public cloud block storage services is our NetApp private cloud storage for Amazon Web Services solution. What this is really a public cloud storage service allowing us to replicate an entire NetApp environment, leveraging the software tools from NetApp, SnapMirror, to replicate an on-premise information store into the cloud. The main use case for this is for disaster recovery purposes. A great example of one of our offerings that leverages cloud object storage services is our enterprise backup solution built around Amazon S3, which is an object-oriented storage service, paired with a virtual appliance from Riverbed called Whitewater. This allows us to seamlessly back up file information from an on-premise environment into the cloud and restore that information back into the customer environment when needed.